North Penn, Mrs. Henderson here, and I'm going to be teaching you the dirty laundry activity. Okay, so equipment that you need: laundry basket, tub. If you want to challenge yourself, make the tote small, whatever. 3 sock balls. Okay, so if you don't remember how to make a sock ball, I think we've used them in past warm-ups or something. You are going to take 2 socks. Longer ones are easier to do. Put the ends together and take the outside sock, open it up, and then curl up around the sock, the other sock, okay? And then I actually have shorter socks that I made a smaller ball with. So I have my 3 sock balls, and then you will need something to mark your tossing line. I have a water bottle here. So the water bottle will be about 10 feet away. You can just step that off. Move this back a little bit so I stay in the video here. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to put my water bottle down. Actually, I'm going to move it up a foot and move this back a little bit. Okay, so the other thing that you would need would be a timer. Your phone, Chromebook, whatever you have. All right, and then you have 1 minute to see how many sock balls you can get into your basket. So you have 3, you're at the line, but you need to be standing backwards. Okay, it's not quite as easy as you think it is. Okay, because you're not facing, you're gonna be standing backwards. And when you start the timer, pretend I started it. I have 1 minute. I can kind of look, see how far it is. Then I run up. I made 1, so I have 1 point so far. I run back so that I can get my turns in before the minute is up. Okay, I still only have 1. I pick all 3 up. I come back. Okay, I have 2 more, so I'm up to 3. Run back, the timer's still going, let's say, and the timer dings. So 1 minute is up, let's say. I go up, I had 3, 2 more in, I have a total of 5. What can you do? You can challenge yourself again, go for another minute, challenge maybe a neighbor next door. They stay in their lawn, they have the equipment, see who can make the most. Challenge a family member. Okay, don't forget to put on the Google form that you did this activity. Okay, good luck, have fun.